Hey everyone, it's Rainbow Runner. So, back for another Railfanning episode. We were at the church at Elliot Road and got a red signal because we have an eastbound train on its way. Now Arizona Railfanner showed me this. That signal right there, the one on the south side of the tracks further south, that gate actually recently got replaced. I saw a picture from Austyn that it was broken. Now I'm filming in one of his usual spots. Just, vary things up a little bit. I believe this is an Autorack train that's outbound. All right. Should be getting closer. Oh yeah, an update on the World Series. Now the Nationals, Washington Nationals, are leading the Houston Astros 2-1. So there will be a Game 5 on Sunday. I'm personally going for the Nats to win just because I've never been in a World Series. But I wouldn't be disappointed if the Astros won a second World Series after they won 2 years ago in 2017. Just something else I should talk about to kill some time. Pretty soon we should be in it within earshot of the train horn. All right. And the water tower in Gilbert is purple. And here it comes. Yeah. I don't know why it sometimes makes that sometimes compared to the other cars. All right, and that's the end of the train. I know the signals are rising. Oh yeah, and the signal just changed. Actually, can you see it? Okay, yeah, there it is. All right, and now the train is heading off. And I'm gonna, yeah. What's up, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Thank you for watching. Support Rainbow Runner.